What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video again. And in this video today I will start with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so first of all I will make a simple web page and I will show you how you can start uh, with your web development. You will start your first page, make your own page. Okay, so for that you need a decent internet connection, a protected browser. I'm using a Avast browser and a good text editor. So in this video I'm going to use VS Code, and for that let me show you how you can download VS Code. So open up your browser over here and type VS Code. Okay, go to the first website. Okay, you just download it for Windows installer. Just download it out of here, and you will be redirected to here, and you will press download and it will be getting download. Okay, after that when it gets download, just press install, run the installer. Okay, do this and install it. Install this application. I guess you guys know it. Okay, when you're done with this installing, open up the VS Code. It should look like this. Okay. Okay. When you installed your VS Code, open this particular extension, and type HTML and just install this one, and some this type of extensions, okay, which are shown in the screen right now. Just see, look at it and just download it. Okay, these extensions help you to make you code very much easily, make you shorten code, and helps you to I mean code it better. Okay. Mm, I mean, the point is that it will not make you do so much of hard work. So after that, when you're done, just click on this button over here and make a new file, index.html. Then again I make a new file, style.css. Then again I make a new file, app.js. Okay, when you're done with the this making this three file, okay, over here in the index.html just type html and do html5. It will automatically make a boiler code. This is only happened because I have downloaded the html snippets, html boilerplate. Okay, so install this extension, it will make your code very much easier. So over here I will give title of document. Okay, so the point is now I will install a new extension which is live server. Okay, when you will do this live server install, then it will come over here. um, it's not showing, so we will use live server just to control shift and P. Okay, and you will see this live server option over here. Then you will click on it. It will open up this thing, and it will open up your browser with the result. Okay, if you type over here programming for beginners, it will go and it will make the changes. We know we don't have to do hard work, like we have to you used to do reload over here, but we don't have to do because it is a live server. It will reload it for us. Okay, so let's just make it aside. Okay, now we can use h1, like this is our first web page. It automatically make this. Okay, if you go to the body section, it will do body here, like background will be hashtag green, oops, sorry, white smoke. For that, it will not work because we have to link our CSS over here. So for linking our CSS, just inside our head tag, we have to give link and CSS, and it will automatically link our CSS href style.css. Okay, so make sure we should link our both file. We should link our JavaScript file also, app.js. Okay, now go and reload. You see, we cannot see, but the background image has been color has been changed. Okay, if we give red, you see our background image color has been changed. So we'll use white smoke. Okay, next we will use some JavaScript also, like console.log hello world. Now how to see that? Press F12 or use inspect. Now go to console and you will see hello world is written over here. Okay, now let's download one image. For downloading one image, I would prefer go to visit and pixel.com. uh, in over here we have awesome pictures, like for example this picture. mm, for example, suppose you have to yeah, in here we have to import one image instead of giving one color like white smoke. So for that we have to go over here, download any image. I will download this one and I will just name it uh, bg image. Okay, and download it in your file. I mean, where you have index, where you have the HTML, CSS, and JS file, download it over there only. Okay, so we will download it over there. Just save. Okay, we will use background as a URL, and we will use bg slash image dot jpg. You see, image has been came over here, but it is not fit. Okay, for fitting this image we have to use one trick, that is fit image in CSS. we have one we have one thing over here. Not this. Yes, this one I guess. Yeah, so we have to just copy it, and I will explain this code. Make sure our file location is good, I mean the correct one. Okay, so what it does is that over here, if you see the output now, we see we have our background image looking good. Okay, now what it does over here, background URL what we have given over here, it will not repeat like image after image, image after image. It will not repeat. It will only do this in a one image, and it will do this in a two times center, and it will be in fixed place. Okay, WebKit background size, that means WebKit stands for any, I mean WebKit stands for Google Chrome. Like what what view it will give if you are watching this in Google Chrome. MOZ, Mozilla Firefox. This MOZ means what view will be give if you are watching this in Mozilla Firefox browser. O, this O means Microsoft Edge. Okay, like it will be giving you the result. It will giving you the view that what type of view you will be getting if you are watching this in uh, uh, internet sorry, Microsoft Edge. Okay, so like at the last we will giving background size, cover, and these three things is very much important because it defines the image to be fit in our background. So like you can download any image, like we have tons of images over here. Most of them are long, so like I would like to take wallpapers. Just take this one. Okay, free download. Let's replace this. You see, now it's looking good. Now this thing looking good. Okay, so suppose you have to make this thing uh look better, and it will make this thing come in the center. So for that, what we need to do is that, what is this? This is our h1 tag, right? This is our first web page. This is our h1 tag. This is one first heading. So we have to style our heading. So for that, we have to give h1 and open this curly brackets, and we will give text align center. Then if we save this, good. Now suppose you do want to change this font. Okay, so we will use Google Fonts. We'll search some fonts like Poppins. Oh, it's over here. Suppose you want to take this font. So go over here and select this import and just copy this thing. Okay, under this style tag, just copy this thing and just go over here, go to body, and I mean above your body, just paste it. Okay, and we have a little bit thing also over here. CSS rules specify all families, so we have to just copy this form family and paste it uh over here, so it will change our font family. Okay. So if I go, and you can see our font has been changed. So this is how you work with your HTML CSS. Fine. Suppose we have uh, a link, a YouTube channel. Suppose you have a YouTube channel. So how could you import a link over here? For that, we will use a tag, a link, and over here we will use the link. Suppose um, suppose you need to have this video. Okay, copy link address and just paste it right here. And in here, after that, just give it my YouTube link, and when you will see that my YouTube link has been given into your web page, when you will just open, it will open the video. Yeah, I said I got this. Okay, so this is how you can import a link. Suppose you have an image, so let's find one image, good image, of course. uh, Suppose you need to add this image. Okay, we'll just download it and just do image, name it whatever you want, but for this video I'm going to use image, which sounds a little bit of formal. Okay, so suppose you want to add one image over here, so for that we have to use image. So like image, and inside the source we will use image file like image.jpg, and alt all these alternate, so you can give anything, like we will use only image. So when you save it, you will see that uh, okay, that's not the perfect image, but image is showing. Suppose you want to add good image. Let me see through pixels. Uh, let me see flowers. Okay, so we will download the small size of it. Image, replace it, and you can see the image has been come over here because we have imported our image. So over here we have given our image. Now we can see that our image has been showing to our web page. So now we can see that our image has been given. So now we can save it. Now for example, we're gonna use JavaScript, and we haven't used JavaScript yet because we are only using console.log because JavaScript is kind of complex in this video. So in the next video I will be using the JavaScript part, and we will make one project using JavaScript, HTML and CSS. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to do the like button, do the subscribe button, and don't forget to share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.